with rain, a lot of times things happen. And I was just looking at this, and it's time to clean this up and see what I can do. So as you can see, over the winter, this is rusted. This looks like it's got a bit of rust on it too, so I can change this, see if we can clean these. But let's see if we can clean this up and get the rust off of it. I've seen a few hacks, so let's try it. It's one of these keys in here.
One of the 500? I think it's those.
Yeah, it's one of these, I think. Or are these the other ones? I got all these extra little safety little things to make it harder to steal stuff. Okay, so what they call for is to put this in vinegar. So you can see kind of on this side it's a little bit better than this side. And you can see where the clips were on either side. But yeah, it's been all winter, so we are going to put these pieces in here. And they say 24 hours.
Exactly 24 hours.
Roughly 24 hours, so we can
use it again or have it fixed.
I'm just gonna put these little things in there too, see if that cleans those up. And let's find out what happens. Now this is pure white vinegar. Yeah.
Okay, started the timer.
So I need a bit more.
That's all we have.
There should be some more upstairs. There should be some more upstairs in the bathroom.
Oh yeah, in the bathroom.
Okay. So let's leave this for 24 hours. And I'm gonna turn it upside down so it actually soaks. Now we will wait 24 hours and see what happens. I'll show you something. I also have flickering on my dashboard. And now it's probably not going to do it, but I'll show you. So right over on this side up here is where it flickers, usually when I'm driving. So I got to take out the console and fix that. Gonna make me a liar now. But yeah, usually, see, it just went off. So I've got this part up here and not working where that and that is. So we're gonna fix that. Okay. So let's pull this off. Now this is my connection for up top. So I'm just gonna put this down. I got enough cord here to put this down here. But this is how I wired up for here. This is my Garmin, mini Garmin. I ran a wire power from here to just a substation and plugged it in because I ended up blowing. Oh wait, this is the cover. I took the cover off, that's what it was. Okay. So now I've got to take this off and remove a bunch of stuff. So let's do this. Oh crap, this whole thing is part of that. This is glued onto here. Shoot. This piece whole piece is part of that. Shoot, 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 shoot. Ah. Okay, I can't get to it otherwise. Maybe I will have the shop do it because then they can put this piece back on. Dang it, because this piece here goes around and then this part's glued onto here, but it's also glued onto this other piece. So it's glued onto two separate pieces.
That sucks.
So if I take this off, I'm gonna wreck this whole thing. So right now, I'm putting it back together. Otherwise, yeah, this whole piece comes off and then I can have full access to the instrument cluster. I can unscrew the cluster, take the lights out, put everything back in. Everything just plugs in. I think if I remember right, there was 2 plugs back there. Maybe 3, but I don't remember exactly.
Huh?
So.
I didn't get a word you said.
That's fine. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back together. Sucks.
You sound like a smart person.
I hate doing work 2, 3, 4 times.
For nothing?
It drives me nuts.
Doing something for nothing?
No, I do that all the time when I work sometimes. I'll leave that open for now. This I can put back in a second. This I will just
Do now?
put back in here. This is all just extra wiring.
Extra wire that you don't need?
This just goes into here, like that. This goes in like that. Make sure I have the wiring hanging out. Perfect. This piece back in. Put all this back in. Make sure you're all together. Put everything back the way it should be.
So I don't break this. Should I plug it in?
Yeah.
Because I might step on it and break it.
Put this back where it goes. And
oh,
okay. And clean up. Just checking on our axe. It's supposed to be in there for 24 hours. Can you move, please, Cayden?
It's getting cleaner.
I don't see any rust or anything in there, but let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that.
Now it's coming apart. You just turn it over.
See?
Whoa!
You can see the rust coming off. I'm just using a little plastic. Oh wow.
It's easier to just scrape it off like this.
So it's gonna be in there. No, I don't want to scratch it, but It's in there for a little bit more, but
3 hours and 12 minutes.
yeah, keep it soaked in there a bit longer. But I'll just use like a toothbrush or something.
Oh, I'll grab a toothbrush.
See, the thing is, this vinegar, it really smells. But yeah, that definitely works. So no, I'm not gonna taste it.
If you did,
Gross.
that'd be gross.
But yeah, you can see as I was scraping all the flakes in there. Those aren't gold flakes.
Gold flakes?
No, not gold flakes. Silly.
If it was gold flakes, you'd be rich.
But yeah, this is definitely pretty cool. So we got a couple more hours to go.
3. So 1 p.m. Right now it's 9 o'clock.
So we got a few more hours. We'll check back in a bit. It's 1 o'clock. 12 hours since I put this in here. You can see all the rust that's kind of flaked off in there. I'll try cleaning this and see what happens here. Okay, so Cayden just brought me an old toothbrush. Let's see how this comes clean in here. Might need something a bit more strong, but we'll find out. Not bad.
This is better quality. And it would last longer.
So I mean, this knife is this axe is very sharp. Just be really careful.
To not cut yourself. Don't cut yourself.
But I mean, as an axe gets used, so it's the rust is coming off. We're gonna put it in there for a bit longer, but you can see, look at the water. So it's been in for 24 hours. And another 24 hours. But it took a lot of that rust off that you can see on the bottom. You can see all the flakes down in here. Yeah.